In this video, I'll show you how to perform chip shots in FC26. So all you have to do is use your shot button plus the L1 button, which is the player modifier button. So all you have to do is press and hold the L1 button and then press the shot button, and that will perform a chip shot. Now, in case you changed this player modifier button, all you have to do is go to the settings on your controllers and then customize the controls. So I'm in practice arena, so I'll just select sides and then press the customize controls. And then from here, this is the player run modifier button that you'll use to perform chip shots. So by default, it's set to L1. So in case you changed it into another button, simply use the designated button on your controller and then press on it and press the shot button, and that should perform chip shots. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.